Now is available at McCarthy Cars Infiniti Hybrid 14 plate 2014 metallic black. Car has front headlight washer. It's got front parking sensor, front fog lights, got 18-inch alloy wheels. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got reversing camera. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX child seat preparation. For electric window, electric and folding mirror, memory seats, electric sunroof, BOSE premium sound system, car has street navigation, it's got reversing camera, telephone, Bluetooth connection, push button to start, it's got CD, aux connection, automatic transmission, Snow Eco Sport mode, heated and air conditioning seats, push button to start, multifunction steering wheel, heated steering wheel, cruise control speed limiter, front auto headlights. Thank you for watching.